Why I can't stop buying this stock. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about a company that I just can't stop buying, okay? And lately, it's had a decent pullback, which is giving us the opportunity to buy more shares, okay? Name of this company is Draftkings, ticker symbol DKNG. Currently, we hold a position of 300 shares on this stock. And I had a position way back. I sold that position, I bought back in, and I sold, and since then I've had my position, and what I do now with the position is basically sell calls on it. Sell calls, buy the calls back, sell calls, buy the calls back. This is the company, one of the companies that I think will have one of the biggest outlooks in terms of its sector in the gambling, online gaming sector, okay? Biggest potential, biggest outlook. For different reasons, and we're going to get into a couple of them in this video, okay? But remember, guys, if you guys are not currently subscribed to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, that way you get the notification on every single video that we release. And if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there for the latest information at Investing OG. Okay, with that, let me get into this video. I just want to break down a little bit of what Draftkings is all about. Obviously, they are in the gambling sector, but I want to pass over their last fourth quarter earnings and what to expect in this earnings, because their earnings are basically coming up on Friday, May 7th, pre-market. So you have an opportunity right now at the current price, which is basically trading at $56 today, Tuesday, end of the day. Trading at 56 bucks, this is a great opportunity to really get your hands on a great company before they actually release their earnings. They're going to have incredible earnings just because their projections are off the radar here. I'm going to go through that. But not only that, we have a play with this company that is the reopening play, because if you can remember, last year a lot of the sports were shut down. This year we're getting all the sports basically coming back, opening up, getting fans in the stand. And if you have any idea about DraftKings, they've basically been all over the place, from NHL to Major League Baseball. Now football, they signed an agreement with the National Football League. I mean, they're all over the place. Anytime you watch sports, you're going to see the logo DraftKings. Just they're stamped everywhere. And I think DraftKings is going to be one of the major players in this sector. And I want you guys to take advantage of this opportunity to buy a great company at a very discounted price, in my opinion. If we look at the chart on this company, not too long ago, and I'm talking about March 19th, I'm talking about a couple weeks ago, this company was trading at $72, guys, $72. So you're having an opportunity here. If you go on the 3-month, you're at the lowest point in 3 months. And you know that this is a great support area, because if you go back, you see constant points here on the chart where it comes back to this area where you're at right now, and it just jumps from there. That doesn't mean that it can't go lower. What it does tell you is that it's at a very good support, where if you buy some DraftKings now, it'll pretty much go up from there, okay? And this is one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on this company, okay? I'm going to go over DraftKings fourth quarter beat estimates. Company issues a bullish outlook. Remember, guys, this is last quarter's earnings, okay? DraftKings reported on its fourth quarter results revenue of $322 million, which handily beat expectations of $232.6 million. The company also lifted its 2021 sales outlook from a range of $750 to $850 million to a new range of $900 million to $1 billion. In other words, guys, DraftKings is basically saying that we expect 2021 to be a much bigger year, And we're not only just saying that, but we are increasing our range from 750 to 850 to now 900, anywhere from 900 to $1 billion, guys, in revenue for this year, 2021. The low end of management outlook came in handily above the street expectations of 872 million, guys. They're basically putting out a forecast where they're saying, you know what, guys, forget about the 700 to 800 million. Let's pump up these numbers bigger, because that's what they're expecting. That's how big this market can become. And I think we're just scratching the surface. I've seen this company go from a SPAC, $10 SPAC, to when I first started buying right around 18 bucks, to now, to going all the way to 70 something, to now trading at 56, guys. This company will be $100 stock, I think, in my opinion, not financial advice, by the end of this year. And you have an opportunity to get in before earnings, because guess what's going to happen once they release earnings, right? The stock is going to blow up. Let me just read this last part to you. Most notably, the Draftkings earnings report showed a 40% growth in monthly unique payers, MPUs, at 1.5 million, and a 55% increase in average revenue per monthly unique player at $65. The gains can be attributed to gains from marketing investment and expansion of new markets. What that's telling you, guys, is basically it's telling you that as people play, or as people gamble, bet, whatever they're doing, they're increasing. It's increasing. The numbers are increasing. So in other words, with more time, with more of a, you know, stronghold on this market, you can expect DraftKings to continue to grow in this market. Guys, DraftKings, I think, in my opinion, is one of the top companies in this sector. I think it'll be a great opportunity to dibble in on this company right now. You don't have to pour your money in there, but it's a great opportunity to get some money in there, get a position started, and then watch it grow. Watch it grow. And from there, remember, I've been playing a lot of call options as of late, and then selling a lot of calls, selling a lot of puts. That has been my main focus, and it's helped us out in increasing our revenue as well. Okay, with that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.